Alright traders, I'm resuming the video because we have a trade opportunity that I just entered. It is a failed second entry short. We have a new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short, failure. Now the reason why I'm taking this setup is because if I'm going to zoom out really big time, we have big channel in play. Today was just pure bullish uptrend day. We have a first break of our major channel. This means that I expect prices to test the new high following the simple trendline rule. We have one leg down, break, second leg down, downtrend played out with the break, push to a new extreme. So this means that the correction is over. The push above EMA is signaling the bullish resumption. We have a new low, first entry short, pullback, second entry short, failure. So I'm putting my stop loss one tick below the single bar to protect my trade. We're getting very close, but I still like the setup if it works or won't. I'm scalping for 14 ticks and leaving one contract as a runner in case market keeps trending higher after new extreme. ATR is going back to normal, but I still want to scale down a little bit in case volatility will kick in and buyers will get bigger. Alright traders, and we got the scalp, so I'm going to place my stop loss to break even. Oh, we have spike in volatility, so I'm going to place my stop loss to break even to protect my trade. Alright traders, so this was a perfect example of following the rules and following the main bias. Okay, so once again I'm going to zoom out. We have a nice uptrend working higher. It's a very confirmed structured uptrend, so you're buying at the key entry points. We have a two-legged pullback down, but that doesn't mean I'm gonna think about reversal. No, I expect new high to be tested. So two-legged pullback down again, market moves in pairs of twos. Okay, new is indicating depletion, and I'm waiting just for the push above EMA as a sign that the buyers are back in the market and we're gonna test the new high. So we got our scalp, 14 ticks, and now I'm holding a gigantic runner. I'm glad I finally managed to record it. I'm gonna trail it really tight because we already have a breaking new high, so we can correct strongly. And I'm just gonna keep moving in higher, keep moving in higher. I just want to lock in profits as much as I can. Okay, so I move my stop loss here, which would give us around 28 points for one runner. So this is a scalp and run technique. I haven't recorded a runner in quite some time, so it's finally good to showcase how to manage a runner. I'm just gonna not be greedy. It's important not to be greedy. And I'm going to take what the market will give me because I can always re-enter later on. So once again, failed second entry short. I cannot go long below EMA because I simply cannot predict reliably when the market is going to finally start new push phase, but the push above EMA is a great sign that the push phase just started. Alright traders, so we got the runner and this is a uptrend break, push to a new extreme. So now we can have a little bit of a correction. This was a significant push to a new high, so we can have some continuation, and I need more confirmation what the next structure is following the rules.